family. You're rude. Do not touch a woman's radio.
What up, family? It is
Sit
me,
back, girl.
Kai Marie.
I did not know. No. I want to listen to music on my way. We're not doing that. You're being rude.
So we're gonna go shopping, and while she over here being mean to me and she won't let me do my intro, I'm only gonna give her 2 items at the store. Get you right here. Make love, make good love, make good love. Make love, I love it this way. Hey. What's up, family? I'm back at home. I don't feel confident enough to show you guys like before. Like the before, I had to show like I'm having on a shirt because I didn't want nobody to think I don't have a shirt on. I'm comfortable showing you the before, but I'm about to clean up. And once it starts to look more, okay, I'll show y'all. But anyway, this is my cleaning video. Oh my God, my bra is showing. This is my cleaning up video. And thank you for tuning in. Okay, you guys, so I got this from Walmart. This is so cute. Look at this color. This is a new color. But yeah, when I'm cleaning like the surface, the tub, the toilet, when I'm cleaning like the bathroom or anything that I'm touching with my hands, I have to wear some gloves. Like, that's just me. Or I will freak out knowing that I'm touching dirt or a filthy object. So yeah, that's just but these are so freaking cute. So I just wanted to share that. I got a lot of cleaning stuff. I got me some Lysol to kill the germs. Got me some Febreze. Bought some candle. So I'm gonna be lighting my candle. This is Coastal Sunset wood wick. So I'm gonna be lighting my candle. I got my Listerine for my breakfasts. And to top it off, got my favorite wine. This is my favorite wine. Okay, got my favorite wine. So when everything is all nice and clean, I get to celebrate the hard work. All right. So. Baby, comes higher and you sit there and yourself looking mighty fine. does this look so familiar for some reason? Like it was our dining table.
It was.
Oh, it was?
Mm-hmm.
I totally forgot.
Ain't another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Smile at every word I wrote. What would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents.
Okay, you guys, so I am all clean. This is how I like my room to be. Nice and clean.
It's my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see.
This way I can organize my products for right now. So nice and clean. I really love this candle, y'all. If you like that crackle sound, this is the best candle to get.
But you gave it to me.